Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal without milk. The simplest method involves using water as a base, which is both healthy and readily available. You can use any type of oats you prefer, whether it's quick-cooking instant oats or heartier rolled oats. The fundamental ratio is 1 part oats to 2 parts water, ensuring a good starting consistency for your breakfast. Making oatmeal with water doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. You can easily elevate the taste by adding fresh or frozen fruits, such as juicy berries or sweet sliced bananas, during cooking. Incorporate warming spices like cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg for a comforting aroma. For a touch of sweetness, consider stirring in a small amount of honey, maple syrup, or a natural sugar substitute. Achieving your preferred oatmeal texture is straightforward. For a thicker consistency, simply use slightly less water than the standard ratio. If you prefer a thinner porridge, add a little more water. Stirring your oats frequently while they cook helps to release starches, resulting in a wonderfully creamy texture. Remember that cooking times will vary. Instant oats cook much faster than traditional rolled oats. Once your water-based oatmeal is cooked, the fun begins with toppings. Add a satisfying crunch and healthy fats with nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, or chia seeds. For extra richness and protein, swirl in a spoonful of your favorite nut butter, like peanut or almond. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can even explore savory oatmeal variations with herbs and a pinch of salt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.